If you need to update your phone number on Klarna, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from your device's App Store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Klarna account. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the Menu or Profile section of the app. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, find and select the option for Personal Information or Contact Details. This section allows you to view and edit your current information. Step 5. Update your phone number. Locate the phone number field and enter your new phone number. After making the change, save the updates to ensure your new number is recorded in the system. After completing these steps, your phone number on Klarna will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for assistance.